Keeping your car clean and looking great can be a lot of hard work and can be hours of back-breaking scrubbing. From the makers of the multi-million seller Platinum car cleaning range comes their latest car cleaning marvel. Introducing Platinum Amazing Foam from JML, the luxury all-in-one car cleaner that will leave your car looking as good as new, both inside and out. Just pump, spray across the dirt, leave to soak, wipe off, and rinse away for an amazing finish that will leave your car gleaming. Use Platinum Amazing Foam to help get that shiny, glossy finish to your car's paintwork. Or use inside your car to bring back your dashboard's luster. Just look at the difference. Get Platinum Amazing Foam complete with everything you see on screen for the amazing price of $39.99. As a special bonus, we'll also include the Platinum Protect Rain Sealant to help keep your windows crystal clear, even in wet conditions. This offer is not available in stores, so call or go online now. Platinum Amazing Foam's active formula soaks into the dirt, breaking down tough and stubborn grime, separating it from the surface so you can wipe off and rinse away for sparkling results. Perfect to help break down dried-on bird droppings. Just spray directly onto the dirt and wipe away for a spotless finish. It's great to help wash away bugs and insects that are built up over time. And when general dirt and grime build up on your car's paintwork, just use Platinum Amazing Foam. Just spray, then wipe away. Get Platinum Amazing Foam complete with everything you see on screen for the amazing price of $39.99. As a special bonus, we'll also include the Platinum Protect Rain Sealant to help keep your windows crystal clear, even in wet conditions. This offer is not available in stores, so call or go online now. Give your car's paintwork a glossy finish. Leave chrome and plastics gleaming, your windows crystal clear, your headlights shining, and your wheels and tires sparkle. Even your dashboard and interior will look restored and refreshed with Platinum Amazing Foam. Forget those long hours of constant back-breaking scrubbing. Give your car a clean you can be proud of. With Platinum Amazing Foam, you're getting a fantastic complete car cleaning system that will leave your car sparkling both inside and out. The pump-action sprayer creates a thick, powerful spray that coats your car's bodywork with foam, breaking down built-up dirt and grime. Platinum Amazing Foam is perfect for cleaning your car's bodywork, chrome, plastics, and rubber, giving your tires and wheels that shine, and for crystal clear windows and headlights. It's also perfect to keep the inside of your car fresh and clean. Get Platinum Amazing Foam complete with a pump-action sprayer, a litre of Platinum Amazing Foam liquid, and the cleaning mitt for the amazing price of $39.99. As a special bonus, we'll also include the Platinum Protect Rain Sealant to help keep your windows crystal clear, even in wet conditions. If you're not completely satisfied, simply send it back thanks to JML's 30-day money-back guarantee. This offer is not available in stores, so call or go online now and join the millions enjoying the car cleaning benefits of the Platinum range with Platinum Amazing Foam from JML.